How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Garmin Vivo HR screen not working. So basically, there's two parts of this problem. You have the software problem and you have the physical problem. The first thing that you want to do is to see which problem do you have. So first, we want to try to factory reset our device. So sometimes you have corrupted data and files within the device. So resetting or factory resetting your device to the default settings can actually help you fix this problem. Now to do that, it's going to be extremely simple. You just want to hold the physical buttons on the side of the watch for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the screen completely turns off. From there, since our screen is totally off, you just want to hold it for around 20 seconds to make sure that it's fully turned off. And then you want to press the button again to turn it back on. And basically that will reset the device right here. And if that didn't fix the problem, the only thing that it means is that we have a physical problem. So what you want to do is to take your watch and get it fixed to a professional mechanic or technician or something similar like that, because you might have a problem with the LCD itself. Now, this is a common problem with the Vivomove HR. So you just want to get it fixed, and from there you are basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this.